First at 5, almost a month has gone by since more than a dozen lives lost inside Robb Elementary. Yet, we still know very little about what actually went on in the moments after that gunfire first erupted.
And that is exactly why State Senator Roland Gutierrez is filing a lawsuit against the Texas Department of Public Safety. He told our John Paul Barajas it's all in an effort to get the answers. John Paul joins us now live from Uvalde about what that senator had to say today. John Paul?
He says this could potentially be the worst response by law enforcement in Texas history, saying that there is not just singling one agency out, but saying there's a fair share of responsibility to be put on everyone from top to bottom. He says because of that, he believes that we are getting false narratives and half-truths. Now, back on May 31st, his office filed 2 open record requests to DPS. By law, they have 10 business days to respond or ask the Attorney General to make a decision on that request. One of Gutierrez's requests was denied. The other has had no response and has exceeded the legal time frame to do so. Now he's filing a lawsuit against DPS in hopes of getting information he requested in its totality.
We're asking their information as to where they were on the ground, where their positioning was, any personnel information as to what they were doing, and we'll let the court decide whether that includes body cam information or not.
Another question he hopes to get answered is who exactly was giving orders as everything unfolded. The state senator now has to wait for a district court in Austin to file the lawsuit. Then they'll serve DPS. After that, hearings will need to be scheduled. And coming up at 6, we'll hear more from Gutierrez, who was there during Senate panels as the DPS director testified for nearly the first time in almost 4 weeks. That'll be coming up. John Paul Barajas, KSAT 12 News.